This is Samsung Galaxy J5 Prime, and here I just give you the brief introduction for this mobile and specifications what we have. Here we have a camera with flash and volume rockers and front camera, and we have a fingerprint option. Fingerprint also here we have. It's a 5-inch display and the resolution is 720 into 128 pixels with 13 megapixel, and the RAM is 2 GB and battery backup is 2400 mAh. Yeah, the mobile weight is 143 grams, and the mobile has launched in 2016 October, and the resolution I will also tell 720 into 128 pixels with PPI pixel density is 294, and internal memory is 16 GB with 2 GB RAM. We can extendable up to 256 GB. Android version is 6.01 with a quad core processor, and it's a 5 megapixel front camera and secondary camera is 13 megapixel. You can see here the Gorilla Glass production for this mobile. We have a multi-touch option also. Yeah, you can see I just taking the pic. It's the price is 14,790. It's a budget phone for everyone. It is so nice for carrying purpose also. It's so nice. It's looking very nice, and we can handle with one hand also. It's a 5-inch display, but it's very looking purpose also. It's very nice. Yeah, you can see here 14,790 for Indian rupee. It's a budget phone. Yeah, this is J5 Prime. Samsung this J5 Prime.
అరే అన్నీ చూసుకున్నారా కరబాబు లేదంటే గెలికినాము మనం ఫోన్లే సార్
చెప్తా ఉన్నా షిఫ్ట్ అవుతాను వచ్చిన రవి